Big news for global trade. India and the US states have sealed a landmark trade deal, giving a major boost to Indian exporters and strengthening economic ties between the two countries. US President Donald Trump thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for taking decisive steps to reduce tariffs on Indian goods, bringing them down to around 18% in many cases after months of negotiations. The deal is expected to significantly boost India's exports, especially in textiles, garments, carpets, leather products, handicrafts, and gems and jewellery. Earlier, high tariffs had placed Indian products at a disadvantage compared to competitors like China, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. With tariffs now reduced, Indian exporters gain a stronger competitive edge in the global market. Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed the agreement, calling it an important step towards strengthening bilateral trade and creating new opportunities for Indian businesses. He said, lower tariffs will help exporters generate jobs, increase foreign exchange earnings, and make Indian products more competitive internationally. From US side, the agreement is seen as equally beneficial. Reduced tariffs allow American companies access to high-quality Indian textiles, carpets, leather goods, and jewelry at competitive prices. President Trump described this move as powerful, saying it strengthens trade relations and promotes mutual prosperity. Industry leaders from both countries have also praised the deal for boosting trade, technology exchange, and economic cooperation. The impact will be strongest in sectors like textiles, garments, leather, carpets, handicrafts, and gems and jewelry, especially benefiting small and medium enterprises. Beyond economics, the deal also carries political and strategic significance, reflecting a commitment to stronger partnership, fair trade, and long-term economic growth. However, the India-US trade deal is a landmark development for India's economy. It boosts export, strengthens bilateral relations, and positions Indian industries for long-term growth, sending a clear message that India is a reliable and competitive global trade partner.